Hello? That's the mic. Hello? Yo, Kanye, listen, I just received your sneakers, right? Thanks for calling, by the way. Yeah, I really appreciate that. But dude, I'm looking at it, and dude, this is a Reebok sneaker. This is the workout sneaker. No. Listen, I'm looking at your Powerphase, Calabasas, and it's identical to the Reebok workout. What's going on here, man? What? Nah, not at all. No, I'm not gonna send them back. I'm gonna make a YouTube video about them. I'm gonna tell the world. Alright? And I'm probably gonna pronounce the name wrong a few times in the video as well. Calabasas, something like that. Alright. Yeah. Alright, good. To you too, man. To you too. Peace. That guy. Guys, welcome. Got another unboxing for you. Today is the Yeezy Powerphase.
Jumpman, Yeezy, Jumpmans, which one am I copping? Just know that I don't wait online when going shopping. Only pay retail, hypebeast get no profits. Whichever one I pick.
Welcome back, YouTube. Okay, guys, so let's get started with this unboxing. Today, like I already said, it's the Yeezy Powerphase. It's from the latest drop a few weeks ago. I was really surprised at how quick this actually got delivered, especially considering the last time I ordered from Yeezy Supply it took months. So look at this, it's a box. Sorry, excuse my French. It's a standard Adidas Originals box. This is one of two boxes that I have. That's what the other box looks like. Look at this. What's that about? Back to the unboxing. Okay, so Yeezy Powerphase. Now, how we can call this a Yeezy, I do not know, because first of all, I do like one thing about this box. It's a toolbox. Toolboxes mean that you can place the sneakers flat on their soles in the box, and I really like that. Probably the only thing that I like about this particular sneaker. Let's get the bolt out. All right, here they are. First impressions, is this Adidas or is this Reebok? Is this the Reebok workout classic that came out in the 80s? It might be, to be honest, because it freaking doesn't look... I mean, what can I say, man? It's... If you guys can see my face, then maybe you can see how disappointed I am with this sneaker. I mean, I don't even know what type of leather this is, man. It's okay, it's super soft. You guys can see that. It's already got loads and loads of creases inside of it. Much harder on the heel area. Protection, obviously, so you don't break your ankles. On the inside, so let's take out this crap. So it comes with a removable sticker. You know, great. Love that feature. And what else is that is? And it has this nice Adidas sole. Let's take out the sole and see what special hidden treats are in there from our lovely Kanye West. Okay, the sole is pretty. Okay, so it's actually like stuck with glue, and there's rope coming out of it as well. So I'm guessing it's like sewn on or something. We will leave the sole where it is. Put that sticker back in because it's really important. Alright, there we go, the sticker's back in. So, is there anything on this sneaker that tells you it's, you know, from Yeezy Supply or anything like that? Well, the only signage that we have is the Calabasas logo right there. And it's not even styled in anything like the font style for Calabasas. This is the sole area. Check it out. Amazing. Love it. So the color itself is not exactly white. I guess that's white. No, not so good. Find the true white sneaker. So this is the Pure Money's. We can see that Pure Money is very white, and we can see the Calabasas, Powerphases, definitely like this off-white, creamy color. Look at that, and in the light, I can just see that there's like a circle I don't even know what that is. You guys can see that on the camera, right? Let's see if the other pair has that. No, it doesn't. Yeah, so there's a factory defect right there. There's also some stitching that's going on over here. Some other defective stitching here. This is just a piece of really disappointing. So there we go. That's this very quick review on this wonderful Yeezy Supply Powerphase Calabasas Adidas Originals copy of the Reebok workout sneaker. Don't let us know anything about my hair. Thumbs up or subscribe button. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or thumbs down. To be honest, it was pretty rubbish, right? And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace in the Middle East. Hey Siri, show me an image of the Adidas Powerphase. How did it get babies? How did it get babies? Hey Siri, show me a picture of the Adidas Powerphase. Look, guys, alright, even Siri doesn't want to show us pictures of this freaking sneaker.